This is the SIG pressure sensor called the PBS. Here we have a display, we have the electrical connection, push buttons for configuring the unit, and here the process connection, which in this case is a G 1/4 inch female process connection. That will connect onto the male process connection we have here and the electrical connector that we have there. To install the sensor, we take it, screw it into place, and what's critical in all pressure sensing applications is that we don't have any leaks, so the pressure sensor must be fully tightened. As we can see here, to make the electrical connection now is quite difficult and the display isn't visible, which is why we have a rotation point here for the electrical connection, and now we can make the electrical connection nice and easily. However, I still can't see the display. So I enter the second rotation point here. Now the display is visible and the electrical connection is made perfectly. If we apply some pressure, and we can see the values changing on the display, and here the LED indicates that a switch point has been reached in the sensor. To change the value of the switch point, we use the push buttons here. So first of all, if we hold on this button to go into the menu structure, SP1 identifies the pressure range where the switch point will become active. So currently at 0.2 bar. We can increase the pressure, for example 0.255 bar. Enter. RP1 is the reset pressure point. This is how we introduce hysteresis. Again, we can adjust this. So in this case, I will increase the pressure to 0.2 bar. And now, if we test this, if we keep an eye on SP1, pressure increases 0.25 bar as it comes down again,